High Priority Plumbing is proud to announce we are now serving the Savannah market. Our plumbers are certified and licensed and available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And as always, High Priority Plumbing never charges higher rates for emergency plumbing. Whether you need help at 2 in the morning or 2 in the afternoon, you get the same great rate. Finally, Savannah can experience a plumbing company that makes you the priority. Call us today and experience the plumbing service you've been looking for.